Welcome to Deep Dumps. At Deep Dumps, our mission is to help you pass your certification exams with confidence. Gain access to the latest exam dumps, PDFs, and online practice tests, all carefully updated to match real exam patterns. With our exam-ready study material, you'll always have the right resources at your fingertips whenever you need them. Thousands of learners trust Deep Dumps, and top performers consistently rely on our material to clear exams on their very first attempt. We back you with 24/7 customer support via email or live chat. And our dedicated experts are always ready to solve your technical doubts and guide you step by step. Download important questions and answers in PDF. Practice with high-quality questions and detailed explanations, and move closer to guaranteed success. Visit deepdumps.com today and succeed in one go. Question 1. In the show, compare rollback 49 command. What is the purpose of the? Option A. The is used to represent an either-or statement. Option B. The is a shortcut to redirect output from a command line to a file. Option C. The filters the output of the show command T. Option D. The changes the command from an operational command to a configuration mode command. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. The filters the output of the show command T. Question 2. What are two benefits of a modular operating system? Choose 2. Option A. Each module runs in its own protected memory space. Option B. It enables the independent restart of each module as necessary. Option C. A malfunction in one module causes a full system shutdown. Option D. It enables CPU scheduling strictly using kernel system calls. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Each module runs in its own protected memory space. Option B. It enables the independent restart of each module as necessary. Visit deepdumps.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Deep Dumps. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.